remaining algebraic formula. First, seventh one, a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. We can write in another way. A cube minus b cube minus into plus minus 3ab into b, a 3a square b minus into minus plus 3ab into b 3ab square. Next, a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here x into x, x square in post. Next, a into b, ab, take last ab, middle, x into a plus b. Here a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca.